Hi, this is James with the Nellis Group giving you an update on our famous Chili Cookoff. It was scheduled for 9:15. Unfortunately, with the weather and Hurricane Florence, we had to move the date. We're now going to do it on October 13th. As a matter of fact, we hope that's also going to help us get more people there to have fun with the fun lawn games. We're going to have live entertainment, and music, and a DJ. And more importantly, we're going to have hopefully your chili, that or someone else that you know. We've included a new link. This is for all of our chefs that are out there, people that are aspiring to win the prize. We have a prize for first, second, and third. Last year we had 16 chilies, 4 of them had won other contests. So we're excited. We know we're gonna get the best, the cream of the crop when it comes to chili. Come enjoy the chili. We're gonna have sides that are there as well. Whether you love chili or not, we look forward to seeing you. Again, it's gonna be on October 13th from 1 to 4 p.m. in Annandale, Virginia. Thanks again for being a Nellis Group ambassador and client.